Hi guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a thrifting try-on haul for you. I think I lost the footage of me actually hauling all this stuff because my laptop died. I will double check, but I'm pretty sure the footage is gone. If not, it will be at the beginning and you will have already saw it. But if this is the first you're seeing it, I lost it. So I have some clothes on the table behind me and we're gonna start with this shirt. I think it speaks for itself. It's a large, I think, and I'm not sure if it's a men's or women's, but I needed long sleeve to wear. And then I got these pants. These are leggings, but they're from a brand called Mountain Hardwear, and they are an outdoor hiking brand. They're very comfortable. I have some side pockets here. Yeah, I would absolutely travel in these every day. And I think these are the only pants that I got. So you're gonna see them in every side because I'm just gonna show you shirts. I have a very hard time with pants. I did get these shorts. They fit me, but they're too short. I got these white pants, but they're too long and see-through. And then I got a pair of jeans that are too small. So pants are hard. Shirts I definitely can do a little more with, but I love this. Under a vest would be ideal. With a pair of jeans, out running around, some errands. I like it. No staining. I don't know if anybody wore it. So yeah, here is outfit number one. Everything I got was less than $2 a piece because I buy these at the outlet and everything is by the pound. And I need to get back over there, but it's the holidays. All right, let me change shirts. All right, since we're in the sports mood and our Adidas and our hiking pants, I got this shirt for the Cleveland Browns. It is, well, Nike. It's a women's large, I believe. I really should look at the sizing. It's a little long, which I'm not mad about. It is dry fit. It feels really nice. There's no like dried up or cracking in the transfer, and it looks like, you know, like the sweat stuff. Because I am a Cleveland Browns fan now. Who knew? Here's how it looks like from the back. Yeah. Nice fit. It didn't have any weird odor. And again, it was less than $2. So this will be fun to wear, just to wear. Again, I need long sleeve stuff. You can wear a vest over this too. A vest. All right, let's try on something else. We're still into sports. But I needed it, didn't I? It's my Buckeyes. There's another one over here, spoiler. This is a Hanes large. I don't know, unisex, I guess. It's hard to tell if I'm not buying it in a department, but for summer, cute t-shirt. Yeah, it's just a plain, really soft. I think it's a women's because it seems to have that scoop to it. And then your Ohio State Buckeyes written in cursive. This one has probably been washed a few times. You can typically tell by the iron-on stuff, but it's okay. But I like it. It's super soft. What I don't love is my underarms on just, ooh. And whatever that is. I just saw that. Well, I will be washing it again to get rid of that. I'm assuming that's some type of grease spot that I didn't see until the camera was on it. But it's all right. I have stuff to get it out. So this is just a cute Buckeye t-shirt for summer. I told you. This is adorable. Obviously, it's another Buckeye shirt. This is a women's for sure. I don't know what size because somebody cut the tag, but I'm going to go with a large or an extra large. You can also tell because it's kind of scooped in here. But look at the elbows. I know. I love this. I will 100% wear this to work. Yeah. It's sweatshirt material. It is actually French terry. You can tell by the inside what the fabric is. This is the back. This is the front. It shrunk a little bit, but I think I can give it a little stretch. So it might be a large, because I think it's a large. It fits me like a large. I don't know. You always have to try things on, right? This is, oh, sorry, the fabric. And I believe that is the French terry. It's just red and white stripe. We're not looking at my sports bra straps. This is a real pocket. I can give it a little press. It definitely has a vintage vibe to it, but I don't think it's vintage, and I don't think it was a whole lot of wash. But super cute, super comfortable. Maybe I'll wear it on Saturday for the football game, because they're playing in the national championship. Just saying. All right, so this is super cute, and the end of my sports wear. All right, this is a Tommy Hilfiger large women's layering piece. Definitely to wear like in the spring by itself, or in the winter under a cardigan, or under a vest or something, a denim jacket, denim shirt. I love a navy stripe, 100%. We got our little Tommy Hilfiger here. It's very nice cotton, no staining in this. Let me check, no staining. But it's definitely a layering piece for winter. I can also just throw it on under a sweater. It's been cold, so I've been wearing a lot of these under the sweater. Under it, but I like this a lot. It's super comfortable. Yeah, I think it'll be good for spring too, you know, when you get that summer vibe going. Oh, I can put it on with, I got a Gap cardigan, large as well. I think everything in here is a large, questionable. But this will be cute, just like this. And just wear it layered with a nice like gray cardigan with my grandma pockets. Ooh, what is that? I don't know, lint from my dryer. Grandma pockets, because I gotta put my tissues in here. I think it's a ladies because the buttons are on the right. Right? Doesn't that make it a ladies? It's a large. I'm sure it's a ladies. A men's large will be bigger. So that would be super cute with a pair of jeans and my Gap large. Okay. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, this is a definitely spring or even like a summer evening. This is Talbot size large. I don't know if it's too short. I'll have to figure that out when the time comes to wear it. I have this little peplum with the anchor or the, nope, these are the little steering wheels for the boat. But so this is like a soft knit, and then this is a cotton at the bottom. I like it a lot. I think it would look super cute with a pair of white shorts or like some white capris. Ooh, if I was on a cruise ship, I could wear this to dinner. I like it. I like a stripe if we haven't figured out. We'll have to see come spring what I'll wear it with. I think I will have to wear a tank top under it because it might just be a tad bit short. But I really enjoy it. And I think it's super cute. I do. All right, what is next? Okay, while we're in the summer, this is definitely a summer shirt that I would have to wear a tank top under because it's see-through. This is a J. Jill size large. I'm not sure if it's too big or not, or if it's supposed to be fluffy like this, but you can see my skin through it, so I would 100% wear a tank top under it. But I love this print. I think it's super fun for summer. It's very lightweight and it needs a good pressing. But this will be cute with like khakis for work or whatever, jeans, khakis, a little skirt, but a shirt under it. And then I have to decide if it's gonna be too big or not. I could have probably, well, I didn't have a choice, but a medium would have been ideal. However, I probably wouldn't have bought a medium because I don't think of myself as a medium. and you can't try things on. I don't know that it's too big. I think it's just a flowy blouse. You tell me in the comments below what you think, because I think it's okay. I think it's cute. It also snowed today. This is an Old Navy large Henley. I'm looking for shirts to wear under cardigans and sweaters that will be warm. And I was looking for a scoop neck to go under some sweaters, but then I decided that probably the buttons weren't ideal. But I can wear this under a cardigan for sure. And it wouldn't be too bulky, but it will bring me that warmth that I'm looking for. Just your basic Old Navy layering piece. I'm not sure if I love it because it's a little short. I have a long torso, short legs and a long torso. So we're not sure about this one. This one might go in the redonate pile. Another layering piece. This is, now you see my bra has stripes. Universal thread, Target brand, extra large. I bought an extra large on purpose because I want, you know, I feel like sometimes these shirts are tight and I want something to wear under sweaters, and this is 100% fit the bill. It's long, it's snug, but not tight. It's not gonna roll up on me. And I can wear this. I have a cream mock turtleneck sweater, and I needed something to wear under that to stay warm. So this fits that bill, just your basic layering pieces to stay warm in the winter. And I think I have 3 more shirts. The hair's getting a little crazy with all the shirts coming and going. This is just a basic layering piece, size large. Somebody brought it back from Quicksilver, Costa Rica. But it's just a thin t-shirt, hoodie with your little pockets, but I like it. It's a nice long, wear it with some sweats for the weekend. I liked the color a lot. I love a green. It's showing a little more blue, but I like it. Yeah, and I lost, or they lost. Is there a collar in here or a, nope, I guess not. I thought we lost the strings, one of us, but I don't think, yeah, no, there's no strings in the collar. Just super cute, like wear it out, have a good day. I need clothes I can just toss on and go. So I like this vibe a lot. All right, this sweater is from a brand called French Laundry. I'm not really sure where that's being sold. I don't necessarily love the size of these sleeves, but what I did love is the play on the sweater going vertical instead of horizontal with the cabling. So typically you're gonna see a sweater like this and the stripes are gonna go up and down and not side to side. I really think it's super cute. I just don't know that I love the bell sleeves as much. I was hoping they would shrink in the dryer, but they did not. Or is this one? Wait. This is the French Laundry. This one might be a cable and gauge. I'll have to look. They're both a size large. I love this color. Thought it would look super cute to wear, but again, with the bat wings, I'm not sure. What do you think? I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay. Alrighty, this is the French Laundry. It's a soft pink. It is so comfortable. The only thing is I need to take a sweater shaver to it. There's some pilling, but I thought it was worth it to bring it home and hope that I can get that off. I really like this sweater. It is so comfortable. I love the seam down the front and the back. It's longer in the tush than it is in the front, so that you get that little visual interest. It is nice and long. Usually I do a French tuck with my French Laundry, but it's so comfortable. Like, it's so soft. If I didn't know this was polyester, I would swear it was cashmere, but I want to make sure. It is, I don't know what it is. It's not cashmere, but it feels like cashmere. It's so soft and luxurious. Obviously, I would wear a different bra with all of these. Take that with what you will. But I really love this. So that was everything I got this time at the thrift, if you were keeping track, because I sure wasn't. Everything was about less than $2, but there's some things that didn't make the cut, and that is A-okay. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I will talk with you later. Bye.